Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. Well, this is another video on the early 2008 Citroen C5, and this is the model that ran from 2004 through to 2008. In this video I'm going to be showing you where each of the fluids get topped up from. So this is a bit of a beginner's video. So first off, we're going to obviously open up the bonnet. To do that, I'm going to come over the left hand side, or the passenger side of the vehicle in this instance, and pull this lever down here, then come around to the front of the car. Going to put my hand quite deep in just above the Citroen badge there, and there's a lever that we're going to push to the to the left, and then that will open up your engine compartment. Now to look around inside the engine compartment, just on top of the engine here we have our oil top up, and then this is our dipstick to check the oil level. So obviously you're going to wait for that to settle, clean it off, and then see the level when you dip it back in and then pull it back out. For the brake fluid, that is just over the back side of the engine there, and then we can just see the level is on max. There is a minimum down there as well. It's probably worth mentioning this is the 1.6 HDI diesel engine. And then coming down to the front left of the engine bay, we've got this, which is our washer fluid top up. So we're just going to put our washer fluid solution and water in there. And then coming around the side here, you'll actually see this big bit of plastic. Now there's a couple of things concealed by this plastic. There's obviously the reservoir for our coolant here. So whilst you can top it up, you can't actually see the level. And then just below here is actually our central hydraulic system, which does our power steering and also our suspension. Now I'll show you just under this cover. It's relatively easy to get off. I'm just going to use a flathead screwdriver, but you do actually need a Torx bit, but luckily this screwdriver fits perfectly. So just going to go ahead, take this one bolt out, put that somewhere safe, and then we've actually got 3 poppers. So one down here. Again, I'm just going to use this screwdriver to get these off, and then there's 2 at the back there. Once they're off, you can actually just lift this plastic straight off, like so. A little bit fiddly around this reservoir. So like I say, you can now actually see the level on the coolant. So mine is on max, minimum is just there below, and then this is your central hydraulic system reservoir. Now I'm actually going to make another video purely on this because it's a little bit complicated how you have to check the level. It's not as easy as just opening it up. And the other thing to mention is there could be pressure in here, so don't just open that at any point. So check out my other video if you want to know how to fill this up and open it up. Well, that's pretty much it for fluids. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.